Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change the wallpaper on your smartphone. So let's jump right in. First, let's power on the device. Once the device is powered on, pinch in the screen. Next, click the button that says Wallpaper. Select the wallpaper you would like to put on your screen. I'm going to choose this wallpaper. Now select Set or Save for the wallpaper. It may ask you lock screen or home screen. This is the home screen, and this is the lock screen. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you found the video informative, click the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below.